Tell him what he's won, Bob. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I am sorry. Little bracket for my seat fell off here. Ooh, that's exciting. Does that ever happen to any of you? Crazy thing is, it sat right here the entire time I was riding into work. There she blows. Now I just have to put the insert in. Huh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a new segment I'm going to be doing here on Stiff Rides. When something goes wrong, I want to show you guys how to take care of it. A little issue, a little situation. The insert for my seat bracket. The bracket where you screw the little seat screw in there on the back to hold the seat down on the bike. That thing fell out on my way to work. I got to work, there was a big old hole there and the seat was just barely on. So there's a way to do this, a method to the madness. Don't fret, I'm gonna show you how. It is a quick and simple fix.
Nothing's ever easy, but it can be simple.
Here's a little quick stiff tip here on Stiff Rides to fix your Harley Davidson when your seat insert falls out of your rear fender. Well, the insert for my seat nut, screw, whatever you wanna call it, decided to fall out today on the way to work. What part am I talking about? All right, here's what you're gonna need. Little shameless plug, no harm, no foul. It's where I'm from, made in Detroit. You guys should check it out. It's a great brand. This right here is the insert. And it's gonna come in two pieces. The first piece is obviously the insert itself that sits underneath the fender. And the second part of this system is that washer. As you can see, the washer comes off. This is actually the component that holds the insert to the bottom of the fender so you can screw and thread the nut in to hold your seat down. This you're going to put on after this is put into the fender from the underneath. How do we do that, you might ask? Well, that's where that zip tie comes into play, the almighty zip tie. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take that zip tie and you are going to put it through the insert like this. Once you have the zip tie through the insert, as I'm showing you, you can then snake the top of the zip tie up underneath the bottom part of the fender through the hole and then pull this up into place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, snake it up underneath the fender. We're gonna come up through that hole. I promise in doing it this way, it might take a little bit of time to fish it through and get it into that hole.
That's what she said.
But, like I said before, it's gonna be a lot simpler than taking the wheel off and doing all that crazy gnarly stuff, which is what common sense would tell you should do to fix this, but you don't need to. All right, as you can see, I've got the zip tie through. My bike is lowered. It's a little bit more of a pain in the butt. Want to make sure that when you put the insert onto the zip tie, you have it in the right side facing up. That's what that should look like. Now that you've got this in here, what we can do is we can take this washer, slide it into the insert, and the insert is going nowhere. It will be attached to the fender. Let's get this washer on. All right, the washer is in place. The insert is installed. All we gotta do is drop the zip tie out of the way. And now we can attach the seat and we're good to go. All right, you guys, the seat is back on the bike. We've got everything lined up. Let's thread this in. And there you go. Insert installed, seat back on the bike. No stress to use, simple process. This is just a quick tip from Stiff Rides on how to handle some routine maintenance. Things are gonna break, you guys. I'm here to show you how to take care of it. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out there and it gives you a little peace of mind that things don't have to be so hard. I tend to freak out when stuff happens with my bike
because I just love riding so much.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, good, bad, or ugly. It helps the channel either way. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.